million years I'd see so many motherfucking people who feel like me, who share the same views and the same exact belief. It's like a fucking army marching.
I'ma get you high today, cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
It's Friday, bitches! It's Friday, bitches! It's Friday! What? It's Friday! What? Yeah, come on! It's Friday, bitches! It's Friday, bitches! It's Friday! What? It's Friday! What? Yeah! Yo, it's my favorite day of the week. My radio's kicking David Chuck the Freak. It's a day celebrated all across the nation. Bitches be tripping. What's up with the H-N? Dave with the news, two track of the day. Ripcord in the hot bitch so way. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday. What? It's Friday. What? Yeah, come on. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday. What? It's Friday. What? Yeah.
What the fuck is happening out in YouTube land? Hope everybody's having a good week. Usually I do these in the morning, but this is in the afternoon. I've been busy all day. But it's Friday, bitches. Hope everybody's doing well. I know everybody's, a lot of people are getting ready for Easter and all that good stuff, which I'll kind of get to in a minute. Jedblues Bluesman has not been around. He ran and he hid and I don't know where he's at. I really hope you show up to the Guitar Showdown, Jed, because you know, this is all about you. You know, we gotta duel this out. But with the thinking that he's more or less not going to show up, what I've decided is that, and a few other people in the comments section said it'd be kind of cool to just kind of collaborate. So I'm not going to do it this weekend or anything. I know people are busy, so but sometime, probably like end of next week, I'll do a live stream. If Jedblues Bluesman shows up, we can do our guitar duel, and maybe after that's over, we can do a collaboration. Otherwise, he's not going to show up. He ran and hid as soon as he got challenged. He took off. He's gone. He's done commenting on my videos. So if you guys want to show up, you know, we can do just a little live stream. Whoever wants to come in, you know, just kind of let me know. And what I'll do is I'll just, you know, post a link in the live stream, and whoever wants to come in and jam out, that's cool. I don't know, I have my buddies over all the time, or I go to other people's houses and we jam out together all the time. Never done it on YouTube, but I think it'll work. The one thing I know, me and Elmo were on a live stream with one of Bert's live streams, and he was getting ready to play, and I jumped in, and I had my my regular head, my tube amp, which is over there. I had that on, and it was just on like 2. You know how loud they are. So it was just on like 2, and I started playing, and he said the audio was just overwhelming the microphone on the camera or the computer. I'm going to use my other laptop when I do the live stream. It's much better, higher quality. But I'm just going to use a little, I've got a little Marshall solid state, you know, bullshit amp, and maybe a distortion pedal. That way we can kind of, you know, equal out the volumes and stuff like that. So it should be fun. So what I'll do is I will do a video sometime early next week, and that video I will schedule the live stream, and we'll see what happens. So anyway, in other news, there really isn't much other news other than here's my vape thing. See if it works. I haven't used it in a while. I use it down here because I don't want to smoke in the basement. Cigarettes, you know, because it just seems to stink the whole friggin' house up. I mean, it goes through the furnace and blows and everything up. Let's see. What is there in other news? Oh, the whole Owen Gibbons Circle of Tone thing that's going on. just recently somebody else had told me about, I don't really get into forums that much. I'm kind of busy with YouTube, so I haven't been on like there's a forum called My Les Paul and all that. Anyway, the whole thing that came with Owen Givens was the gear page, which I wasn't a part of. I mean, I think I had an account and stuff like that, but anyway, there's a forum called Musicians Lounge, which it looks like it's just kind of starting up. Somebody else on YouTube mentioned it, and it looks like it's just starting up, and it's called the Musicians Lounge, and it looks really laid back and stuff. So I just got on there and got an account, and actually I was looking for I made a post in there because I'm going to build a 4x12 cabinet of my own. I mean, I've got 4x12 cabinets, but I want to just build my own custom one. And what I'm curious about is what kind of lumber people are using. Uncle Doug was telling me that he just uses pine from Home Depot. But I know that people talk about... I was going to use birch. So, and that's like kind of the norm, I guess. But I was just curious about that. So anyway, shoot on over there to the Musicians Lounge and check it out. Like I say, it's kind of like an upstart. I think it's like get in on the ground floor or something. So, and you know, with the gear page, here's the whole thing. This is what's on my mind with the gear page. Is that they proved, and this is some scary shit, with all the shit that's going on with Facebook right now, and you know, of course, Google is, you know, taking your information, and you know, with that whole thing broke with Owen ripping people off, which he did rip people off, because if you look at the videos, there was other people. It wasn't just the Fender Lover guy. There was another guy in there that said he never got his distortion pedal, and that was in September. And this Fender Lover, which I'm pretty sure Owen is Fender Lover, but anyway, what it proved was that the moderators, if you're friends with them, they'll give you personal information of somebody else. So I'm done with the gear page. I mean, I haven't yet, but I'm going to delete my account from the gear page because, I mean, what the fuck, man? I mean, when you run a website, you have a responsibility to, you know, keep people's information private. And I don't even know how that website's still up after that happening. I mean, it's all over YouTube that they gave out personal and private information. I mean, that breaks so many fucking laws. It's not even funny. So I think I'm going to try Musicians Lounge and see, because I really need to be on a forum, you know, just to, for my purposes, is for building stuff. I've been working on today. I'm kind of, I got to tell you, the vape is good, man. If I could just stay on this for a while, and I'll tell you what, when I was vaping, I was only smoking like a pack a week, and I was vaping the rest of the time. But then something happened, and I ended up going right back to cigarettes. Then I read that you shouldn't vape and smoke because it's even worse. So anyway, let me show you what I'm working on. I was just getting the house kind of cleaned up. I got some people coming over for Easter, so this guitar here, we talked about the Samick and getting the neck back in shape. It's not going to happen. The neck on this guitar is fucking wasted. It's just, I don't know. Whoever repaired this, I don't know what they were thinking. It's fucking wasted. But it did have a piezo pickup in it, and this is my Jasmine, which I bought for $25. University of Michigan is like right down the street from me, and if you look on Craigslist, Ann Arbor, there's a lot of times you can find college kids and they need cash desperately. So that's how I ended up with this guitar. So this is a Jasmine made by Takamine, and it sounds pretty damn good. It plays really well, and it sounds pretty damn good for what it is. I mean, it's by no means a phenomenal acoustic guitar, but it's not bad. The Samick had a piezo pickup in it, so today I was working on putting in the pickup. So I got it all in, and I'm just working on the bridge and getting it at the right height. Because as you know, you got to shave down the bridge a little bit so that it meets the well, you know, the piezo pickup. So you got to shave about as much thickness as the piezo pickup off to get it to where it's in the correct position. So, and then I'm going to put another strap button on it down here. I hate that whole strap with acoustics up here and around the neck. I'm going to put one down here the way it should be. So that's what I'm working on. That's what's in the shop right now. This is my little area where I work on guitars, and I've got my little amp there so I can plug them in if I need to, which I'm going to need to on this one. I just got the bridge back in on this one. Look at that bunch of guitar slides I made. I had a little piece of copper pipe. This one's actually I bought. That's brass. I know we're in black and white here, but I had a little piece of pipe one day and I was fucking around, made a bunch of slides. So yeah, all my shit. Here's the best stuff. You guys want to treat your fretboard? This is the most fantastic stuff in the entire world. It works so well. I used it on my Aria Pro, and it goes on, and man, here we are in black and white again. But it goes on and it comes off clean. I mean, it's just everything's very, very clean on it. So anyway, here's where things are, like I said, I straightened all this up and trying to get a little area going here where I can play some music, have some people over. I gotta get a drum kit out here so that we can have a drummer come over. As you know, drummers are drummers, and they just, you know, you gotta cater to the drummer. Anyway, that's all I got. Nothing really. It's Friday, bitches. Look out for probably Monday, Tuesday-ish. I will put a video together and let you guys know the date and time for the live stream, where hopefully me and jedblues Bluesmen will come together and see who gets their head chopped. Otherwise, me and you guys are going to just jam out and collaborate and talk music and all that good stuff. So we'll see you soon. Happy Easter, everybody. Have a good weekend. If nobody else loves you, you know I do. God bless you and all that good stuff. Peace.